Prayer of Saint Germanus. O my only Lady, who art the sole consolation which I receive from God, thou who art the only celestial dew that doth soothe my pains, thou who art the light of my soul when it is surrounded with darkness, thou who art my guide in my journeyings, my strength in my weakness, my treasure in my poverty, balm for my wounds, my consolation in sorrow, thou who art my refuge in misery, the hope of my salvation, graciously hear my prayer, have pity on me, as is befitting the mother of a God who hath so much love for men. Thou who art our defense and joy, grant me what I ask. Make me worthy of enjoying with thee that great happiness which thou dost enjoy in heaven. Yes, my Lady, my refuge, my life, my help, my defense, my strength, my joy, my hope, make me to come with thee to paradise. I know that being the Mother of God, thou canst obtain this for me if thou wilt. O Mary, thou art omnipotent to save sinners, thou needest nothing else to recommend us to thee, for thou art the Mother of true life.